The Cav Empt Nike Air Max Dn8 collaboration returns on August 2025 after the Japanese label's last Nike project in 2019, spotlighting Cav Empt's unique blend of futuristic aesthetics and heritage style. The collection reworks the silhouette with three striking versions covered in pixelated camouflage, offering a standout white and green edition alongside versatile black and gray designs for minimalists. While apparel and accessories might join the release, nothing has been officially confirmed. Early leaks hint the black pair may see more limited distribution, adding collector appeal. Priced at $210 and set to launch August 27, the sneakers highlight Cav Empt's subtle yet experimental vision while reinforcing its creative partnership with Nike. Balancing exclusivity, boldness, and everyday wearability, the drop delivers both individuality and function, further expanding Nike's diverse collaborative portfolio.